Okay. Yeah, no, my first surgery, FUE procedure, was around, I think, about 1,500 grafts, and I saw some results, but nothing near the result that I had, with Dr. Lamb and the FUT treatment. A year later, the hair's thicker, fuller. I can style it again, which I really hadn't been able to do since I was in my mid-20s, and so night and day difference between the first surgery and the second surgery I had with Dr. Lamb.
This is a gentleman that just gave a video testimonial about his results. He had a FUE performed before in Dallas and really left no discernible difference. For him, I didn't want to over-harvest back here, so I decided to do a strip procedure to get the density in the front half. I want to go over his donor hair, which is sort of interesting. I'm trying to blow this up into a higher magnification and high definition. So what I want to show you, which is really interesting to me, is if you try to find his strip scar, I seriously have a hard time even seeing it, because people are always sold FUE, and I've literally written the only book on FUE in the world twice. You really have a hard time in finding it. It's right there. Okay, now here's what's interesting. When you look at his scar, his whole back of his head is full of white holes, and that is the FUE. I don't know if you can see that, but there are circular deficits throughout his whole backside, but my linear scar is really almost not detectable. These are the holes that you can see throughout his scalp, but you can't find my linear scar. And this is the crazy thing about marketing, because I perform both FUE and strip, and I've done one FUE and one strip this week, and I will tell you that it's the right patient mix, but you really can't even find the linear scar. All you see are these white circles in the back of the head.